Well, it's a pleasure to talk to you in the daylight, isn't it? So I emptied the car last night, put some stuff away, a little closer look at what we got. Well, before I get to them, whoa, spring is springing. So last time I think my daffodils were only a tiny little bud, so they're in full flower. Looks like all my other flowers are flowering and budding. There's nothing in that at all. Yeah, got that corner to tidy up. Nothing's happening in there. Well, I can spot some little shoots popping up there, and that becomes a whopping great big flower about that high with great big red heads on. Anyway, what did we pick up? I got these 6-inch easy cast iron steel wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Picked up a couple of, I think you call them hurricane lamps. These are paraffin. You really don't know what to do with those. And we picked up today an electric bike, so I'm going to have fun playing with the bike. An electric scooter. It's got an electric motor on. So we'll take that to bits later. But that I'll be able to tie in with. Let's have a look in here. The place is looking a bit tidier. I never got round to showing you what this baby was. Well, that will tie in with that scooter outside. A few hours later, you can see it's now dark outside, and I can't actually get in the shed again. That's because I'm going to do some wood turning. I'm going to make some wooden knobs, but I need to sharpen my chisels. To sharpen my chisels, I need my bench grinder. The thing is about that bench grinder is, for some reason known only to me, I decided to put it right at the back of there. And to get to the back of there, I had to take everything that was there and put it outside. So it weren't the only reason, and we'll get to this in a minute. But I misplaced this. Oh, there you go. It's on top, lying there. This is my tool rest for me wood lathe, so I can make my knobs. But let's pull that. To get to that, well, I was on the Ali Max live stream Thursday night, and they watched me because I thought it might have been in that, or them, and I ended up pulling all those out and going through them while I was on live stream. But it wasn't. It was in that one, which was underneath that one, which was in that gap. Now it's a Friday night, and the time is 20 to 7 in the evening. Snobby Scrap Picker goes live at 7, and I can tell you now, without a doubt, all that lot, and there's a lot of it, he ain't coming back in here in 20 minutes. So again, Snobby Scrap Picker, I'll be missing a live stream tonight. Right, so that's Ian in his shed, in the face of adversity. And tomorrow's Saturday, and we hope, hopefully, be able to get around to doing some wood turning. Focus, Okay, well it's Saturday and we're getting somewhere. Actually getting somewhere. Right. That, I said, goes in there. Because I couldn't find it. I'm not one up out of 3 pieces of round bar. It would have done the job, but I wanted to find the proper thing that went for it. Which is that. We've marked the centre of the wood out, both sides. We've knocked the corners off it, less wood turning. Finally got a use for the sabre saw. Not used it for easily 2 years, so I've had to do some maintenance on it. Bit of oiling, bit of cleaning, sort my chucks out. Had to find my chuck box, which is this. It's got all my various bits and pieces in. Another one there with actual drill chucks in. It runs off a Morse 1 taper. There's another homemade. That's for doing bowls. Sound of bowls. Oh, what's this here? Oh God. Well, look at that. 30th of March 2000. So that's 20 years ago. Almost to the day since I bought that chuck kit. It's a top. Got the whizzy thing there, the sharpener. Not really the right stone. Should use a white stone for these high-speed steel chisels. On the cup. Diamond stone. The chisels, which I'm going to give a little bit of a lap up. I'll come down here. That's a little bit better. So I've set the rest to that bevel. So I'll just give it a quick lick up. And we should be ready for turning some wood. It is a nice quiet grinder, that. It's nice, I like that. So whilst that is winding down, I'll lick everything up, get set up, and start turning some wood. I think I've been on too long in this video, so in the next one.